This is Jim from PlanterM23.1. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to modify the field map so that you can locate yourself on the field image while you're driving and planting. So I'm going to go into the gearbox here, and we're going to use the Shell Farm Shell 40, and we have identified the image we got from the last video. So let's take a look at what you see when you display the map. So here's the field right in here, and there's a spot labeled A up here in the left hand corner and B here. We need to reposition those two spots on the image and give those two spots latitude and longitude. So down here in the bottom right hand side is a function button. It's set on zoom. This button cycles through different features. So if you push that until it says function A, then we can move this spot A to a spot on the image that we can identify. So let's put that A right over here on the road corner. And to be super accurate, it's the top left corner of the letter. Now let's move B over here to, let's say, that street intersection here. And then I'll push the function button back to zoom. From there you can zoom in on it while you're driving through the field. So I can't see those icons up here at the top, but by pushing the reset button here, I can shrink the image. And let me start by going back to the home screen and then up to the settings, and let's look at that field setup. Alright, so over here are the location of those corners. A, we need the latitude and longitude for A, and the latitude and longitude for B. So you can get those off of Google Earth and just press the box and enter them. Or another way is to drive to the spot that you've marked and use this feature of just set the latitude and longitude at where you're at. So you can't see it right now, but if we exit back out of there and go back into field setup, it will have changed the latitude and longitude for A. You can do the same thing for B. So that's how you identify the latitude and longitude for A and B.